Hi, you're watching Dasawera. This is Amarpal Singh. Before you, a big action is on card in Ludhiana as a number of commercial illegal constructions has come to light here in Ludhiana, which are located along this major stretch, which is also called as Southern Bypass or South City Canal Road. It has come under scanners of the authorities following the directions of the Honorable High Court. So now GLADA has issued directions to 47 unauthorized commercial establishments to remove or demolish the structures at their own cost immediately. So these establishments includes Leantras, Baba Chicken, Chawla Chicken, Jugnu, J9, Urban Wives, Sartaj Sweets, Garden Grill, Zero Courtyard, Kothari Marbles, Deccan Gallery and several others. So a public interest litigation civil writ petition has been filed by the Ludhiana Citizen Council and others before the Punjab Haryana High Court. The petition seeks strict directions to prevent encroachments and illegal constructions along National Highway 95A stretching from village Barewal to village Ayali in Ludhiana. So following the petition, the Greater Ludhiana Area Development Authority, called as GLADA, conducted a detailed field survey along the connecting road from the Firozpur Road, which is a part of National Highway 95A, up to Ladowal on National Highway 44. This stretch passes along both sides of the canal near the prominent South City area. So the findings are significant. So during the survey, GLADA identified 47 unauthorized commercial establishments constructed along this road stretch. These includes property dealers, eateries, cafes, retail outlets, banks and other commercial establishments allegedly built without proper approvals. So these establishments include various retail estate firms, cafes and other commercial outlets operating along the canal side road. Authorities have clarified that out of these 47 establishments, 25 applications related to 21 unauthorized units were earlier submitted under the 2013 government regularization policies. However, after following due legal procedure, all these applications have been rejected. So additionally, 4 applications concerning 3 establishments were received under the 2018 regularization policy in a significant development. Even the regularization certificates previously issued for 1 plot and 2 buildings have now been cancelled after due process. So GLADA has already submitted a detailed status report before the High Court. In its public notice, the authorities have now issued a stern warning to all the violators. All those who have raised illegal constructions along the said stretch have been asked to remove or demolish the structures at their own cost immediately. So, failing compliance, GLADA has made it clear that it will proceed with sealing or demolition under the provision of the Punjab Regional and Town Planning Development Act 1995. The entire cost of sealing and demolition will be recovered from the violators as per the law. So this development is likely to create a major impact in the South City area and Canal Road belt of the Ludhiana, where commercial activity has grown rapidly over the years. So now all eyes are now on the next course of the action by GLADA and the response of the affected establishments. So we will keep updating you. We will keep tracking the development in this case and we will keep updating you regarding this. Stay tuned to Dasawera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.